How to make a viral stick figure animation in Canva. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can create an amazing stick figure animation within Canva. So let's get started. So the way that we're going to get started is simply by logging onto our Canva account. You don't need Canva Premium for this. You don't need any fancy schmancy tools. All you need is regular old Canva. And once you have logged onto your Canva account, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to be choosing your video size. So for viral stick figure animations, it depends on your target audience, whether you are doing this for Instagram Reels, Instagram Shorts, or YouTube Shorts, or if you're trying to create long form YouTube videos. So I want to be creating long form YouTube videos, so I'm going to click on video over here, and then I'm going to choose the video landscape. Once I do that, I will have a blank canvas. So from the top right, I am going to name this. This is going to be my stick figure animation. Now, once you do this, you will see a preview section on the bottom. Then you have your general preview over here. Now it's time to get started with actually adding our stick figures. On the bottom, you will be able to create each individual scene, and then you can also add your own voiceovers for the viral stick figure animations. There are several different AI tools that can help you in building voiceovers as well if you don't want to do them by yourself. So simply go into the left and you can go into audio and record yourself or upload your audio or even use an AI tool's audio. We're going to go into elements and we're going to first start building our basic starting for our stick figure. Simply search for stick figure over here, and once you search for stick figure, you will see several different graphics. So you're going to click on graphics, and you have all of these amazing little graphics available. Now keep in mind that if you want to remove the watermarks, then you do have to opt for Canva Pro, but you can even find free versions of different videos. So let's say I want to add this one over here, and it will give me magic recommendations. So I'm going to click on see all, and I want to use all these animations here. And let's say for my stick figure animation, it's going to be talking about how to make viral stick figure animations like so. Now I'm just going to add it at the center here, and you guys can see the background looks a bit bleak. So I'm going to go into elements and I'm going to keep this over here. So we have this particular creator. We're just going to copy their @ so that we can later on search for them. And we're going to go back into elements. And you're just going to search for paper. The reason why I like to search for paper is that I like to add a textured sort of background like this. And I'm just going to place it and then do a right click on layer, and then click on send to back. Now, if this is a bit too much, you can go for something that, better fits your style, something that's not too textured or too extra, like this paper over here. I'm just going to expand it so that it covers the entire region, and I'm going to click on layer and then send to back. Now, once I've done that, I can proceed with the next step. Now, you guys can see that it doesn't have any audio, and I do want to add audio. So if you click on audio on the bottom, you even have the ability to generate voice with Canva. So I'm just going to write how to make viral stick figure animations. And then we're going to be using the voice of Ralph, let's say, and I'm going to just listen to this voice. And I'm going to click on generate AI voice, and then on the left the AI voice has been created. Now you guys can see the voice has only created 2.9 seconds worth of content, because that's how long it's going to take you to say this entire sentence. So I'm just going to play this. Make viral stick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my cursor exactly where the text ends, and I'm going to move the scene till this part over here. Now, another thing you can do to add some more movement is to click on the stick figure and then click on animate, and you can add some, a few transitions, a couple of reveals, some general succession, add-on effects, flicker effects, pulsating effects, wiggle effects. But I'm not going to do that because our scene is pretty short. Then I'm going to again add the same paper texture, and once I have added this paper texture here, I am going to go back into elements and search for my stick figure. Once I do that, I can go into graphics, and I'm going to be taking a look at a couple of these graphics here. And I'm going to be using this one because this one looks really cute. And I'm going to add it over here like this, and I'm going to add some text. I'm going to animate my text too. I'm going to click on animate, and we're going to just add something that is going to look nice. So I'm going to go with the typewriter effect. And then after that, I'm going to go into the second scene, go into text, add a heading. Are you tired of seeing other people succeed with simple ideas? I'm just going to place it over here like so. Click on effects or click on animate, add the same type of typewriter effect. And then I'm going to scroll down on the bottom, and then we're going to go into our apps and then go into AI voice and then enter our text, use the same AI voice to create our second bit of audio, which was 4.1 seconds. And I'm just going to place it right over here. Once I do that, I'm going to move the scene like so as well. So the scene and the audio should pretty much be cohesive like this. Now I'm going to show you guys the video.
Tired of seeing other people how to make viral.
Now from here, I can proceed with adding the next animation. Now what you can do to further add a bit more flair to your videos is that I'm going to take this person and I can click on animate and then click on create animation and just animate this person walking over here like so. And then you have the speed as well, so you can choose the speed and you can choose to orient the element. You can make it a bit smoother, you can make it very steady as well. And I'm just going to click on done and let's take a look at what it looks like.
And
then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same paper background that we have and then I'm going to paste it over here. Then I'm going to take the same idea of the same character here and then place them here. And then I'm going to click on, in this scene, I want to animate him as well. I'm going to delete his path in the second scene, okay? And I'm going to redo his path. So in this one, his path is just going to be to come to the center of the screen, like so. I'm going to go into a steady animation style and then just click on done. I'm going to reduce the animation time. And now I'm going to add some text, which is going to be, well, now you can make your own stick figure animations. And then I'm just going to take the text here, expand it, place it over here, click on animate, go with the typewriter style. And then I'm just going to do this like so. So I can proceed with adding a voiceover to this, and just like that, you can create your own viral stick figure animations. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.